Hello, viewers. These are our Ukwuani people self. Ukwuani. Ukwuani. How many times will I call on her? Meanwhile, I have so many brothers from Ukwuani. Those who wants to identify with us as Igbo, yeah. But some of them do not want to identify. In fact, there is a particular one I know. I will not mention where I know him. He doesn't want anything to do with me. He wants to identify with the other side, you know, the side I mean. It's funny. The way we senior Igbo, things like that, we senior Igbo. But if you look at whatever Ukwuani is doing, it is what the Igbo people are doing. But I don't understand why this trying to show differences, you know, it amazes me. It amazes me. Now, recently, there is a proposal for Anioma State, the Igbo-speaking part of Delta. And some Ukwuani people are like, we cannot belong to. Why? Why did he add us? Senator Ned Nwoko, why did he add us? Hey! Mmadụ ruo na-ata onwe ya alụ. Mmadụ ruo na-ata onwe ya alụ. As if you become Anioma State, they will change you from what you are. Ukwuani bears Igbo name. Everything Ukwuani does is Igbo. Everything. I don't know. I don't understand this. As if there is an enmity. Yeah, should I even call it an enmity? I'm amazed. Meanwhile, there is a call for Ukwuani to join other Deltas, part of Igbo speakers of Delta, so that they will create Anioma State. Ukwuani is opposed to that. And I'm sharing this I'm doing this video because of an Ukwuani person who is in support of what we are doing. In fact, thumbs up to Almighty. We call him Almighty, yeah. He's an Ukwuani man and he believes he's Igbo. I'm doing this based on an article he presented. And it's going to be a short stuff. So he's making a case for Ukwuani to belong to Southeast as in Anioma State. Because I think the major reason, who knows, maybe there are other reasons, but the major reason Ukwuani is opposed to that is that maybe Anioma will become part of Southeast in the proposal for Anioma State creation. And he was like, he's wondering, why will Ukwuani be reasoning that way when everything they do is Igbo? So he's making a passionate plea for the creation of Anioma State and zoning of Ukwuani people to the Anioma State and becoming part of Southeast, according to him. Now, he gave reasons that are important. He said Ukwuani people are Igbo in nation. And you don't need anybody to tell you, if you stay with Ukwuani people, you know that they're Igbo, you listen to them, they are what they believe in. You know, there's no difference apart from that normal difference that exists among Igbos, dialectal difference and slight differences. If you move from Anambra to Imo, you will see differences. But when they speak, it is not hard for you to connect. So, and he's making a case for Ukwuani under Anioma to be under the Southeast geopolitical region. And if you check the Nigerian map, you'll see how connected we are. We are near each other, we are related. So this is an Ukwuani person who I'm kind of assenting what he said already. Now he gave another point in his second argument. He said, consider the Ishekiri people. Ishekiri people quest for Wari State. Now, if it's successful, they will be zoned to Southwest region due to their cultural affinity with the Yoruba people. You cannot distance Ishekiri people from Yoruba people. Ishekiri people are more like Yoruba people. So if there is a Wari State and Ishekiri is in that Wari State, definitely it could be called a Southwest State. And I think there is a proposal for that too. So this guy is making a good case. He said, we the Ukwuani people, he's an Ukwuani person. The proposal is for Ukwuani to be under Anioma zone to Southeast region. This is the case he is making. So he's telling everybody to support Senator Ned Nwoko in his effort for the creation of Anioma State, towards recognizing our true identity and uniting with our Igbo brothers and sisters in the area called Southeast. In conclusion, he said, let us stand together and demand what is rightfully ours. We, the Ukwuani people, we are Igbo and we belong to the Southeast. Support Anioma State creation and let us move forward. And I think he gave credible reasons. I believe some other Ukwuani who will see this video will begin to support their brother who wrote the article that helped me to work on this video. And this is where I'll draw the curtain on this one. Please share widely. Don't fail to subscribe. We have more of this, this channel, Igbo Area TV. What do we do? We discuss Igbo. We want to unite Igbo. Anywhere they are. Whether under Nigeria, anywhere. We want Igbos to do things together. That is how we can achieve our goal. And by the way, has any Ukwuani person ruled Delta State? No, I don't know. Has any Ukwuani person ruled Nigeria? How do those other Nigerians treat Ukwuani people? They treat them as, you guys are Igbo. I leave it at that.